Thank you for joining me. This is Lost Wheels 506, and today what I'm going to do is work on my 91 F-150 as I usually do, and I'm going to replace the bench seat with some bucket seats. These ones right here. I mean, probably a little hard to see on the camera, but I'll show you in a bit. Got these from a junkyard, and they come from a Ford Focus. I can't remember what model, doesn't matter, but they're very simple, basic. They don't have any electronics in them, which is exactly what I wanted. So why don't we just get to it? I had to do some work to get them torn down and make custom frames, so jump to those scenes right now. Okay, let's start by taking a look at these seats. They are dirty, but should hopefully be easy to clean. Here's the underside. All those wires and whatnots are going to be taken out, which is the next step that needs to be done. I started with the back part and pulled up the upholstery and took out the airbag that would have been next to the pillar. The airbag comes in a plastic case, which I ended up keeping so that the stiffness of the sides would be kept. The seats came with warmers, which I wasn't going to use, so they were removed. Here is the seat. This also had a warmer and a pressure sensor for the passenger airbag system. Both were removed. Here is the passenger seat all put back together. Looks like it was never touched. Now the driver's side all back together. The only difference or issues with the drivers was this handle for height adjustment. This is all the stuff I ended up pulling out of the seats. And there are the side airbags. Onto the truck where I finally take out the bench seat. I would recommend getting a little help on this since it tends to snag a little on a few things while taking it out, but it does eventually come out. I did find the build sheet under it. Looks like the seat came from a 1998 F-150. I decided to pop in the driver's seat and give it some testing. This kind of helped me figure out where I was going to place it in the end. Here's what I did to get the base ready. The seat comes with these 4 locations to bolt into the original car, which I was originally going to use and made my first base to fit these holes, but it was way more work than I wanted and I didn't like the outcome. So round 2 I decided to grind off the rivets and use the holes to pass a bolt through and connect it to the frame I was going to make. It also got rid of the 2 locating pins on the front. Here are the 4 corners that were removed, including 1 piece for a sensor. And that's the rails with those pieces cut off. I had to be careful not to cut or damage the rails, but sometimes you just can't help it. Here are the pieces for the frame, and also some paint added to the rails. Here it's all welded and test fitted. I just welded the 3 spots on the corners. It's pretty strong. Now I drilled the holes in the truck and did a test fit. While I was at it, I removed the seat's original seat belt and removed the truck's middle seat belt. The frame is all painted and ready to be installed. Looks real good. Now the final shot. The seats look real nice despite needing a good cleaning. Well, I'm glad they're done. These seats are great. I'm a fan of bucket seats mostly because they have the bolstering on the side, so it kind of gives you that extra support. I tend to have a little bit of fun in the curves sometimes, even though this isn't kind of a race car. Still something I like doing. I'm very happy with the end results and the fitment. It's a little bit off from the bench seat, but it still works really good. Took a little bit of finagling and adjusting, but I'm still really happy with it. Now, as for the airbags, you got to be safe with that. They can pop and be dangerous and turn into a projectile. I took care of them or disposed of them by popping them. So if it's something you do or if you're not comfortable with, don't do it. It's just something that can actually do some harm. So just a fair warning there. I have driven around with them with the seats installed, the driver's seat, perfect. Again, like I said, it's just a matter of adjustment and the fitment, and I actually really enjoyed it. Thought it was going to be a bit more complicated. I was trying to take some measurements and all that throughout the process. Ended up realizing the best way is just to sit in it and find out where you want to sit within the vehicle. And honestly, that's basically what I did. I stopped taking measurements other than maybe just the edge of the frame to the back of the truck, so that way I could get these 2 to line up. Nothing major, nothing big, didn't take too long, didn't waste too much time on it. I said it before, really happy with these. They're nice and quite a good addition for me. I know some people like bench seats or try to keep it stock, but that's just not my thing. I like to modify things and make them the way I want them. So on that note, thank you for watching, and don't forget to get lost in whatever you do.